How's it going, YouTube? It's Josh here. As you can see, I'm in my garage. Got quite a bit of stuff going on in here, and most of my channel for a long time was military-related stuff. I'll still do some of that stuff. I still am active duty military and whatnot, but I've kind of gotten more into woodworking. It was always been a hobby, but now it's been more, I don't know, more ongoing. I've been building stuff. Got a not a web page, a Facebook page called Woodworking Warrior. It's also on Instagram, so I can put some links below that. Just kind of see the stuff that I've been making. But so yeah, just been kind of doing some woodworking here today. Been running some boards through my planer. Just doing a review on that here as well, to put that on the good old YouTube. Still by no means a professional YouTube creator like a lot of these dudes are that post videos all the time, make a shit ton of money off of it. That's not me. I'm just, an average guy in a garage with some tools and just posting stuff. If it gives me a little extra income, then it gives me a little extra income. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned for any future content about woodworking. Maybe if I do some stuff here on my bike and my old Beetle here. I do my own work on that too, so who knows, I might throw some videos. I don't usually record a lot of stuff, so I kind of need to. YouTube kind of gave me a notice saying that I don't make enough content, so they're about to not let me monetize videos or something like that. I don't know. So anyway, I don't make a whole lot off these, but hope you guys enjoyed a tour of my garage here, and look forward to some new content coming up.